How to stop Fortnite from crashing. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to stop Fortnite from crashing. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first method that we need to do is adjust the settings of your Fortnite. So you can just open your Fortnite and then from in there just adjust the settings and then turn all of the high in here into low in order to stop this from crashing. So the next thing you need to do is to just head over into the anti-cheat program. So you can just click on the search bar right here, search for Epic Games, click on open file location, and then from in here just right click in here and click on open file location again. Now after you have done that, you will head over to the binaries, Windows 32 or 64 depending on your device, and then in here this folder you can just see the anti-cheat program. So you can just open that and it will show you this window right here wherein you can just click on the current game, and then after you have clicked on that you can just click on start repair, and after that you will finish it. Now the next method involves heading over to the GPU of your computer. So you can just click on the search bar right here, search for device manager, click on open right here. Now after you have done that, you can see your display adapters right here. So just expand on that, right click on your display adapter, click on properties, click on driver, and in here you can just update your driver, uninstall it, and then refresh your device or restart it and it will install itself. So the next thing that you can do is to head over to the verification of your Epic Games Launcher Fortnite files. To do that, you can just head over to the Epic Games Launcher. Then from in there, just head over to your library. And once you're in your library, you can see all of the games that you have. So in here, I have Fortnite, so I can just click on the three dots right here. And in here, I can see the manage options. And once you have clicked on the manage options, then what you can do next is to just click on the verify files because it's just right there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to stop Fortnite from crashing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.